Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to put American Express gift card on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to add an Amex gift card on iPhone, the first step that you need to do is make sure your card is activated. Before adding, activate your Amex gift card online by simply heading over to the Amex gift card activation. On the search bar, type in Amex gift card activation. Then simply tap on the first link that is shown to you, or you can simply call the number on the back of the card. The next step is to head over back to your home screen, then open up your wallet. And inside wallet, what you need to do is simply tap on the plus icon or add icon on the top right. Then simply choose credit or debit card, and then use your iPhone camera to scan your Amex gift card or enter the details manually like card number, expiration date, 3-digit CID or security code on the back. The next, Apple may require verification via SMS, email, phone call. Simply follow the prompts to complete the verification, and once verified, your Amex gift card is added to Apple Wallet, and you can now use it for Apple Pay at supported stores or online purchases. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.